Good. A little bit in here. Good. Clunk. Good job. Good job. And bring the skull right. Excellent. Real light. Come right.
Yeah, Bob.
Perfect. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Now you can relax. Look down this way. Right there. There you go. Sacrum looks pretty good. Right here, that's misaligned. So we're going to come right in there. Good. Okay, now we get to this way. Oh. Smile at the camera. So a little bit on the upper bone right here. It's real light. Clunk. And there's the turtle. Okay, perfect. Ready? There we go. All right. Next. Got your haircut. Looking good. Okay, so this is definitely rotated here. Yes.
He needs the attitude adjustment again.
Line to side. Attitude adjustment, we can,
Yeah.
we got plenty of those. Okay, face me. Okay, pull that arm through this one. Go right through here. You know this one. Like that. And straighten that leg. Good. Remember what this is called? Pretzel, right? Okay, so relax right here. Good. And line your back. Let that go. Close your eyeballs. Close this. Relax. Bring it tight. Good. Really tight. Yeah, right there. There it is. That's better. Okay, get the turtle in there. All right, good job. All right, miss, come on up. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. That's pretty good. Looks like it might be a little sacrum right there. Little sacrum out. Okay, relax your head right here. Good. A little bit in here. Okay, let's line your back. And I'm gonna smile for the camera. Smile on the camera. Don't crack a smile. Don't crack a smile. Clunk. Good job. Good job. All right. What is that?
Oh, Callie.
All right. Okay. Just the way I like them, right here. Oh boy. Let's Now here's the tough part. See if we can do this without him waking up. Wah. That's okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay.
Good.
Dad's turn.
Can I hold the phone for you?
Callie, baby sweet.
So we're just feeling for where the working muscles are, like it's working pretty, it's trying to pull, feel that? It's trying to pull itself that way. So we're just going to come and give it a little assistance.
This is a giant iron.
Good. Right there. Excellent. Line this side. Not too much, just a little.
A 3-star treatment.
Line your back. Good.
And they're red.
Definitely right here. Right there. Nice. Real light.
I'm doing
So we
black
come in
on
here.
top of purple.
Here comes it. That's it. Beautiful. Excellent. You can get the turtle too. Just relax there. Nice. Yeah, feel it. That's it. Go right through here. So turn your head to the side. Real light. Come right.
Yeah, Bob.
Perfect. And face down. Nice change there. Turn your head to the left. Just let that shoulder go. And bring the skull right. Exhale. Turn your head to the right. Then to the left. And face down. Much better. Excellent. Power's on there.